Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On the way of Aljov, we visited a private farm. So today I am going to show you how a private farm looks. We are entering the Mazra. Mazra means farm. I saw different kind of date palm. That time I noticed a small shrub. We checked what is that. It was an olive. There was many olive plants. The first time I see this plant, I was amazed, and it was a great experience in this moment. After that, while I was walking, there was a small pond. My uncle and my Abba was plucking something. Then Zayu called me and showed me grapes. He was like, Didi, there is grape over here. Come fast. I was in a shock by seeing so many grapes. It was the best grapes that I ever had. It was so sweet and seedless. I just can't express it, guys. The farmer of there who was planting told us that we can pluck as much as we want, so we plucked so much grapes, and I will surprise with you with the other plants. This is the pure water that they are using for watering the plants. When we asked the farmer from where it is coming, he told from the stream. The outside temperature is very high, but the water is so cold. They told us to go that way, there is more to see. While we are going, beside of me you can see the irrigation method. Do you know what is this? My dad explained to me this is olive. After that I saw fig tree. It tastes like honey and juicy. I only ate dry fig. I can't express the feeling. And my uncle pluck a lot of fig. There are so many fig planted here. Such a wonderful place is this. These are small plants. Look at this. There are so many fig also. This is such a wonderful place. I can't believe that they had made a wonderful farm in a desert area. Look at the entire view of the farm.
का बाद पक्का
ये 2 महीने बाद काटेगा बस।
कटेगा 2 महीने का बाद खाला हो जाएगा।
हाँ, सर्दी में काटते हैं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
बस 2 महीने है गर्मी में।
हाँ, गर्मी में 2 महीना।
हाँ, 2 महीने बाद काटेगा।
कटेगा। हाँ हाँ हाँ।
अभी है ना, अभी तुमने देखा है उतना इतना पकड़ा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। ये क्या है? इधर एक ये बना के
छोटा
रखे हैं,
है।
छोटा ग्रीन ग्रीन ये वाला
ये सारा ये जैतून है, वो जैतून है, ये खजूर है।
There is a goat farm also, and they use them for milk and meat. Such a wonderful thing that their irrigation method. Again, we collected from the farmers some grapes, dates, olive, fig, and some different types of vegetables. Then we are ready to go back home. So this is one of my memorable day in my life. Thank you.